Hi, this is Isaac with COS Systems. The topic of this video is how to use the COS Business Engine to automate your network and your business. The true key to making your fiber to the home network a success is to automate as much as possible in all phases, while signing up subscribers, while building the network, and while operating it to full effect. And this is how it works. The subscribers, they buy their services from the service providers through the zero-touch automated online marketplace and get them activated within a minute. The service provider, which could be you or an invited provider, doesn't have to do anything in connection with the transaction, especially if billing is also automated by the Business Engine or with an external provider triggered based on the notifications from Business Engine. And in this process, the operator actually doesn't have to do anything. The service is provisioned on behalf of the service provider with integration to the provisioning platform. The service provider is notified about the activated service so they can initiate subscriber billing, and the wholesale fee for the service bought will be automatically added to the monthly billing report for the provider that the subscriber picked. So it's zero touch from start to finish and a fantastic customer experience. Thank you for listening. If you want to learn more, check out our other videos. And if you think we have what you're looking for, don't hesitate to reach out to book a meeting where we can discuss your fiber to the home project.